Hello gentlemen, it's me once again, and today I'm showing you that I got today the ECX. I'm sorry if you heard that one, but you know, it's just way joy there. So without further ado, let's get started. So here it is. It's called Stress Hammer Series 1. Trust me, I know what I am doing. There are good cops and bad cops, then there are various cops. So here's one cover, and yeah, I never heard of this show, but my mom watched the show since she was a kid, and she told me that this show is funny, so yeah, she bought it for herself, so I will probably give it a watch. But anyways, here's one cover. Spine. And yeah, spine. Here's back cover. That's special features there. There's description. It says here, trust him, he knows what he's doing. There's much from the episodes. And because of the bubble here. Just looks like that. Right, so here's the DVD. So here's series 1, disc 1. There's the episode titles. Disc 2, series 1. Disc 3, series 1. And finally, disc 4, series 1. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye now.